friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Atho Noodles is a famous Burmese street food served along with Mohinga soup. Heat sesame oil in a pan. Once oil is hot, add sliced garlic and fry until golden brown without burning them. Similarly, fry onions. To make red chili infused oil, I have 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. I like to use the oil used to fry onion and garlic. Stir well and set it aside. Heat a pot with 3 quarts of water to cook noodles. Water is hot. I prefer to add turmeric powder in hot water to cook noodles. This will give our noodles a yellow color. You can use edible food color if you prefer. Add noodles and cook as per direction. We cooked our noodles for about 7 minutes. Once noodles are cooked, drain and set it aside. Now it's time to mix everything. For that, first let's dissolve some sugar and salt in water. When salt and sugar is added directly to the vegetable, it will draw out water from vegetable and make the noodles soggy. To a mixing bowl, add cabbage, carrots, this is optional, sliced red onion. Give it a stir. Add freshly chopped ginger, fried garlic, chopped cilantro, fried onion, prepared sugar and salt mixture, red chili oil, and mix well. If you like the taste of raw tamarind, you can add about 1 tablespoon of thick tamarind extract. Add in about 2 tablespoons of roasted gram powder. This will help in absorbing any moisture and help in retaining the noodles without getting soggy. Mix everything well. Add in the cooked noodles and mix everything well. Now atho is ready. Let's transfer to a serving dish. Garnish with fried garlic, cilantro, fried onion, and red chili oil. Enjoy this delicious, healthy atho noodles with mohinga soup for a wholesome meal. Watch our suggested video that pops up to make this great combo. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!